There is 8-meter difference between the tree and the building. But when tree grows up, the difference becomes 3. This means it can be 5 or 11 because the height of building doesn't change. And if the tree duplicates or himself, or if the height of the tree doubles, this means it was 5 or 11. Totally it is 5 plus 8, 13, 11 plus 8, 19 is the possible heights of the building. 1 and 3 is the answer. The answer is C.